2022, we took the Forex world by storm, and we have no plans of slowing down. Our achievements highlighted our triumphs and hard work. We are proud to serve traders on a global scale. Our commitment to excellence has earned us numerous industry awards, accessing over 300 instruments to choose from. We offer 50+ currency pairs, spot metals and energies, CFD on shares and indices, cryptocurrencies for modern investors. Traders also boost their profits with copy trading, while they grow their portfolio without the effort of active trading with PAM. Our promotions like Spin to Win contest, 30% deposit bonus, and cashback reward program have helped traders enhance their profits. The global appeal increased when we proudly exhibited at Forex Expo Dubai 2022 and created history by winning the award. With CapitalXtend's Forex Academy, traders have acquired the knowledge and confidence they need to succeed in the world of Forex trading. Our ultra-tight spreads, high leverage, and fast execution speed will give you the edge you need to succeed in the markets. And 24/7 multilingual customer support is always there to assist you. We built a technology that enables every individual to trade easily and with more security and transparency. We are looking forward to an even bigger 2023. Thank you for showing us your support.